Every morning I wake up hurting, trying hard to wear a smile. But behind these eyes are rivers I've been crying for a while. People see me moving forward, they don't know the war within. Only you have heard the whispers, only you have felt my pain. When my words can say no more, when my strength falls to the floor, there is something speaking still. Misodzi Yangu, unanswered. Every tear that falls at midnight, you collect and you can see. Misodzi Yangu, haisikuida bafina. Though my heart is breaking now, your love is holding me. Misodzi Yangu, Misodzi Yangu. I kneel in silence, with no answers, no relief. Just a heart that keeps on hoping in the middle of its grief. If these tears could tell a story, they would speak of all I've lost. Yet they also tell of mercy and a Savior at the cross. One day these